Understanding the role of a branch manager. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating aspect of the business world, the role of a branch manager. Whether you're an English language learner aiming to expand your professional vocabulary or someone interested in the nuances of business roles, this video is tailored for you. Let's explore what it means to be a branch manager, the responsibilities involved, and why this role is crucial in any organization. A branch manager is a key figure in the management hierarchy of businesses, especially those with multiple locations, such as banks, retail stores, or insurance companies. This person oversees the day-to-day operations of a specific branch or location of a larger company. Think of a branch manager as the captain of a ship, where the ship is one location of the broader company fleet. Branch managers have a wide array of responsibilities, all aimed at ensuring their branch operates efficiently and effectively. Some of these duties include managing staff. They're responsible for hiring, training, and overseeing employees to ensure a high level of performance and customer service. Financial oversight. They monitor the branch's financial activities, including budgeting, forecasting, and managing expenses to ensure profitability. Customer relations. A significant part of their role involves interacting with customers, addressing their concerns, and ensuring a positive experience. Implementing strategies. Branch managers execute business strategies laid out by the company's higher management to meet organizational goals at the branch level. The branch manager's role is vital for several reasons. Operational success. They ensure the smooth operation of the branch, directly impacting the company's success in that region. Employee morale. Their leadership directly affects the work environment and morale of the staff, influencing employee retention and productivity. Customer satisfaction. By managing customer relations effectively, they help in retaining existing customers and attracting new ones, which is crucial for business growth. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has shed some light on the pivotal role of branch managers in the business world. Their blend of leadership, financial acumen, and customer service skills makes them indispensable in ensuring the success of each branch and, by extension, the company as a whole. Stay tuned for more insights into the English language and professional terminology. Happy learning!